Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So today we're doing a super quick video, false nail press-ons converted into like a full set. And we're going to be using these press-ons that I purchased off of Shein. The link to everything will be down below. These were super inexpensive, under $5, and they were great for this. When doing this method, you can use pretty much any press-ons. The only thing is you just want to make sure they're, which sounds backwards, but you kind of want to make sure they're on the cheaper end and very translucent and clear and you know, are kind of thinner, because with this method that works best for them. If you go in with false nail tips that are black or like a very dark opaque color, the solid nail tip glue gel that we're going to use to apply it won't be able to permeate through, so it won't cure properly. So you want to make sure that if you're not using translucent, completely translucent, that you're using some nail covers that are somewhat translucent. So this set, like I said, I believe it was honestly $2 and some change, and it comes with 14 different nail tips and sizes. So if you have wider thumbs, or if you you know, kind of need a nail kit that has a whole bunch of different sizes, this is very inexpensive and perfect. But as I said earlier, we're going to be using my solid nail tip glue gel to apply the nails, and this has been restocked and it is available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and as always the link to this will be down below. I'm just going in, scooping out a pea-sized amount of that and applying it to my nails. If you happen to get any excess around the cuticle area, you do just want to make sure that you are going in and removing that fully before curing, just because it makes the process much harder if you try and remove it after curing. But that's pretty much it. It's very simple, it's very easy, and this just takes a $2 set of nails and elevates it and make it look like you stepped fresh out of a nail salon. This is perfect if you're in a rush as well, because as you can see, this video is very short from start to finish. If you were doing this, you do also want to include prep. This whole method will probably take you total, and I'm being generous here, 20 minutes or less. So if you don't know what prep, actually, can mommy see this real quick? Can I just see it real fast? Can I just finish? Thank you. If you don't know what prep is, I'll leave a link to a video down below that shows you my full prep routine from start to finish. It's very easy. It takes about 5 minutes. When curing your nails, you want to make sure that you do 4 fingers and cure, and then cure your thumbs separately. It's very important that you cure the thumb separately, because your thumb won't cure properly if you put all 5 fingers in. And for this method, it only takes about a good minute to cure, a minute and 30 seconds to be safe. So now these nails are pre-shaped and pre-done for you, so this step is really easy. We're just really going in and perfecting at this point. But I'm just going in with an 80 grit file and just, like I said, perfecting, making sure the edges and everything is as sharp and as neat as I like. And as always, the link to these will be down below, and these are in my Amazon storefront as well. So now I'm just going to go in and dust all that off. And for polish, I'm using my Model 1's top coat. This is my tried and true. You guys know this is my favorite. The link to this will be down below. It is available for purchase on Amazon. This is their regular gel polish, not their no wipe gel polish or gel top coat. And I love it because it stays luminous and shiny. Doesn't matter if you're 1 week, 2 weeks in a nail, the shine never dulls. So I really love this gel top coat. And as you can see, this is just a little trick here. I go in and I swipe the sides of my nails to eliminate any of that extra bulkiness that gel top coat sometimes does. And again, as always, I'm just curing and doing my thumb completely separate. So now I'm going in with some cuticle oil and just doing my cuticles, topping off my nails. You guys know I say it in every video. It does not matter how cute your nails are. If your cuticles are dry and crusty, it just ruins the whole look. But here's the final look. It's a very quick and easy way to elevate a $2 press-on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.